I bet you didn't see that coming now, did you? Hi guys, Dr. Bobby Striker here with Flow Physique Factory. Clinic is in session, and today we're discussing whether you should buy our power plans or get a personal trainer. Objective. I'm going to give you the facts, no bias. Trust me. Okay, but let's talk about it. You're getting into fitness, you want to lose weight, summer's around the corner, you want to get into shape. But what should you do? Power plans, personal trainer, what's going to be the best option for you? Let's break it down. When you're getting into shape, of course, there's a few components, okay? Specifically, you need to make sure you have a training plan that fits not only your goals, but also fits your budget and your schedule, okay? So it has to cover all of these bases for it to be something practically useful for you. Now, there's no point having the best training plan in the universe if it says you got to be in the gym twice a day, every day of the week, when you can only afford to go to the gym twice a week, yeah? So it has to fit your lifestyle, your budget, and all of these things. It has to make sense for you, all right? Now, the second component is going to be nutrition. You might be training your heart out at the gym, working yourself to the bone, sweating your pants off, doing everything you can. But if your nutrition is not on point, you might be no step closer to those results. Those results may continue to be elusive and always be out of your grasp forever. So all of these things have to be aligned, okay? The diet needs to be on point as well. So as you guys know, I'm a doctor, I'm a physician, I'm also a certified personal trainer, but going back to my own past experiences, there have been many times over the years where I've engaged a personal trainer myself to train me. Yeah, I've not always been a personal trainer. I had my own personal journey to get to this point now, and I really got into it and decided to get myself certified as a PT. But before that, I've engaged my own trainers. And from my own experiences, what I valued from a trainer was advice on form, on technique, but that's not the biggest benefit of getting a trainer. For me, the thing I valued the most was just having a listening ear. It was literally like, imagine yourself going to that local bar or going to the hair salon where you see the same stylist every time you get in there, the same barber, and just kind of offload everything that's been going on over the course of the week. So the personal trainer kind of ends up doubling up as a counselor of sorts. So it's kind of nice to offload and just chat with someone. It's just nice to have that kind of camaraderie. It's something to look forward to. And but what I didn't like, and for me consistently this has been the case with pretty much every personal trainer I've engaged in the past, is that they've never given me any instruction regarding nutrition, meaning they never told me what to eat and drink. Yeah, so that's a big part of the pie, like unsolved. My training might have been great, but if you're not getting that nutrition on point, like I mentioned just now, you're not going to see the results that you want. That's a huge part of your road to success, okay? Now, I never got those precise food plans. They never advised me on how much protein intake I should need, if I should be on taking kind of any supplements, how much sleep I need, how much water I should be drinking, and all of that stuff that goes, hand in hand with that. And because of that, if I look back to my own experiences engaging various personal trainers over the years, my results were pretty hit and miss. Yeah, it wasn't like I had amazing, outstanding results. So results were pretty hit and miss. And then you got to factor in the fact that there are a lot of crap trainers out there, some really dodgy, shoddy trainers, and they can use really underhand tactics. Like when you're weighing in at the gym, they'll purposefully have you look forward straight, and they'll be standing on the weighing scale behind you to increase that weight a little bit. So when you look down, you're like, I didn't weigh this much at home. And they'll be like, yeah, this weighing scale's been calibrated. We got to trust this one. There are these little tips and tricks that they use to keep you training. I mean, some trainers, once you hit your goals, they're probably scared you're going to drop them, and so they always kind of keep you slightly away from reaching your goals. You never kind of get there, so you can keep training. And to be honest, I had one trainer that was crazy. When I said, look, dude, I don't want to keep training anymore. I've got some other stuff going on in my life. I'm going to have to stop the training. He literally went ballistic, started WhatsApping me expletives, swearing at me, cursing at me, and all kinds of stuff. He became a complete plonker, and it was outrageous. So, of course, not all trainers are like that. You know, there are some trainers, some coaches out there, they will give you the nutrition plan. They'll be really rooting for your success. But I'm just advising that you do need to do a bit of homework to make sure if you are going to get a trainer, get a good one. See the reviews, read the testimonials, and make sure the trainer's certified. It's not just some Tom, Dick, and Harry just because they look good that you decide to follow them. You've got to be smart. Now, a lot of people are born slim. They're born looking great, might have great genetics, that had a six-pack since they were 6 years old, and they might have never had to work for it. You know, they might even be on drugs for all you know. You will never know, to be honest. Because if they're making money out of that physique, they're selling those products to you, why are they going to tell you, look, I didn't earn this naturally? And so you got to keep that in mind. If someone looks great, that doesn't necessarily mean they have the knowledge to get you looking great too. Yeah? So keep that in mind. They need to have the knowledge as well as the experience to be able to coach you to your own personal success. Yeah? There's just a natural tendency, I think, when you see someone who's like good looking and good shape, you're going to be like, oh, I want to follow them. You know, if I do whatever they say, I'm going to look like them. But that's pretty much a recipe for disaster. Just think about it. If you're a short, blonde, obese guy and you start following Michael Jordan's workout plans, you're not going to end up being the next Black Panther. Sorry, folks. It's not happening, no matter what you do. So check out the trainer's credentials, and that's how you ensure you don't get duped, all right? Then what about our power plans? You know, I've talked a lot about personal trainers. What's the alternative? The alternative is you follow guys like us, you know, doctors, physicians, and trainers with credentials. We've got our power plans. So what do we give you in our power plans? The first thing we give you is knowledge. You've heard the saying, if you give someone a fish, you give them a meal for the day. If you teach someone how to fish, then they've got the tools necessary to feed themselves for the rest of their lives. And that's kind of what we're doing in our power plan. So this is important. Just think about it. If your circumstances change, your life changes, your schedule changes, your budget changes, everything changes, the goalposts change, and you think, okay, I need to adjust my plan accordingly. If you're going to go to a personal trainer, they're probably going to charge you to write a new plan to meet your new targets and needs. However, with our power plans, we give you the knowledge so you can customize your training however many times as you want, whenever you want. You can do that for the rest of your life because the knowledge is there in black and white in the palm of your hands, okay? Now, like I said, our body transformation manual is really going to give you some structure. Yeah, it's going to give you the nutrition. It's going to tell you how to structure your calories, your training, all of that stuff. Our nutrition cookbook gives you super high taste, protein, packed, amazing recipes that are so ridiculously easy that you just won't believe it. And if you don't believe me already, go and check out our previous videos. We've done a video showing you how to make the best waffle in the universe, the full throttle waffle, packed full of protein, super low calories, and the recipe's free. If you want to go and check out our free ebook on our website, just go and get it. There's already a workout plan in there. There's some example recipes to give you a taster what you can expect when you get our power plans. Super easy recipes, nutrition, calories, protein, all broken down, all laid out, basics. So it's simple so anyone can follow it. Now, in terms of training, then we've got our exercise manual where we go through routines, all suitable, like if you're wanting to train twice a week, all the way up to 5 or 6 times a week. There's a routine in there perfect for you, and we go through every exercise on the form and the technique, so you literally can become your own trainer. And the bottom line, I mean, what's better? Should you get a trainer? Should you get our power plans knowing all of this? Well, I think my answer is going to surprise you. If you've never set foot in the gym, if you don't have the confidence, if you feel intimidated, my answer is get a personal trainer. What? Yeah. See? But you weren't expecting that. See? I'm being genuine with you guys. Because if you get a personal trainer, even if it just takes 1 or 2 sessions, they're going to give you some basic instructions on the proper forms, the techniques, how to use the different machines. You're just not going to feel like a fish out of water when you go to the gym. It's really going to just give you some comfort, and that's all you need. Once you've got that, you can continue the momentum from there. You know, if that's what you need, it's a bit of hand-holding, bit of feedback to start with, go and get yourself a personal trainer. Now, If, on the other hand, confidence is not the issue, you're comfortable going to the gym, you've been waiting and now's the time, and you're like, okay, I'm motivated, I've decided that I really want to get into shape this year, and I just want the facts, I want the science, I want to know what to do, the right thing, no garbage, no nonsense, and keep it simple, and I just want to get results, then our power plans are for you. Okay, literally for the price of one personal training session, you're getting the knowledge and expertise that you can use for the rest of your life. You know, you're going to get everything you need to get that kind of physique ready for summer, everything except the gym membership. And even then, if you're going to be training at home, we do have our home training manuals as well. So there you go, folks. I think that pretty much summarizes it. If you're a newbie and it's your first time getting into training, going to the gym, and you need a bit of guidance, get yourself a personal trainer. For anyone else, our power plans are going to be the way to go. Yeah, you've got your nutrition coaching, the body transformation manual breaks down everything that you possibly could want to know about it, and you've got our training manual and the cookbook. Just go and make that waffle and see what awaits you. You will have never tasted food like this and gotten into shape before in your life. I guarantee it. Go and check it out. So there you go, guys. So it all comes down to where you are in your training, your confidence, and what your goals are. You want to have, you know, the knowledge and skills to be able to train yourself forever. Power plans all the way. There you go, guys. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Do let us know what you'd like to see in future videos. Do please follow us on the socials. Do like and subscribe to our channel. Do drop us a comment to help the YouTube algorithm, and follow us on everywhere. And we'll see you all in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye.